Reality check, man, from your device, and you know it's a unique one, aromatic, realistic TV. Anyway, today, my viewers and subscribers, we see where the JLP Dally House executive meeting yesterday at Belmont Road mash up when the Brogod have to run away and take away himself. They said the Brogod run away and take away himself. We all know who is the Brogod, you know. Anywhere Brogod is, he have to be the center of attraction. Brogod have to suck out all the energy out of the room. So for Brogod to run away, it is telling us that trouble in the Jamaica Labour Party camp. My viewers and subscribers, there's one question Aromatic would like to ask. Because you know, say me look beyond the surface. Is there a gang developing the Jamaica Labour Party to overthrow the Brogod? Is there a gang that is developing in the Jamaica Labour Party who want to overthrow the Brogod? Anyway, Jamaica, I have a clip here. So I am going to introduce this clip to you. And after we watch this clip, then we can all dissect it together and draw our conclusion. Right this way there. Anyway, take it away.
Turning. Not only were there some changes in executive roles, but 3 resignations were tendered. Natalia Clark has the latest. Resignations, new appointments, and reshuffling. All highlights from the Jamaica Labour Party's first Central Executive meeting since the February 26 local government election. Drawing attention was the unexpected resignation of Robert Morgan as head of the party's Public Relations Committee. No confirmation yet for his reasons, and it's understood the party is yet to identify a successor for this pivotal role. Alongside Morgan, the party's 2 deputy general secretaries have vacated their posts.
The Deputy General Secretary Audley Gordon would have demitted office today, as well as Homer Davis. They are replaced by Senator Charles Sinclair, and Senator Delroy Williams.
That's Dr. Andre Franklin, the party's deputy chairman. He also advised the CVM News that Darrell Vaz, who already heads a ministry in charge of 4 portfolios and is Member of Parliament for Rural West Portland, is to head the party's treasury, replacing Senator Albin Hill, Minister of Industry, Investment and Commerce.
We made an addition to the Secretariat, where we have now Senator Albin Hill that will be joining the Secretariat. The Treasury, we thanked our Treasurer who worked very diligently, meticulously in the last election, Albin Hill, and he's to be replaced by Member of Parliament Darrell Vaz.
Dr. Franklin says members of the party's Central Executive on Sunday voted unanimously for the changes. But what exactly prompted the reorganization?
The time of our officers are required to be on the ground to get things done. There are some areas where the synergy, the natural synergy, is easier than in other areas for other persons. So the best skill sets were put to the test today, and the meeting voted unanimously to make the necessary changes.
What the General Secretary, Dr. Horace Chang, sought to add is that now both his deputies sit in the nation's upper house of Parliament. The meeting of the Central Executive lasted just a few hours, with party leader Andrew Holness arriving minutes before 1 p.m. and leaving mere minutes after 2. The deputy chairman assures there is no friction in the party and labels the meeting as a good one.
So today was a very good day, a day that we analyze all the factors, and we are now even more united, more dedicated to make the necessary changes a reality.
I'm Natalia.
Keep blazing your fire, fire, fire. Blazing your fire, fire, fire. This is Jimmy Morgan, bigging up Aromatic Realistic TV. Real about ya here. Subscribe now. YouTube. Boom.
You hear that? When the reporter asks a question, Chang no make the man answer, Chang answer. And I know Chang, the reporter, the question, the reporter wasn't questioning Chang. But to fly out of Chang mouth, it was a good day. So now we see Darrell Vaz in charge of the money. So every money will come in at the Jamaica Labour Party. Whether fundraising or, you know, contribution or whatsoever. Darrell Vaz in charge of that now. Money hungry. So we see where then sack Nesta Morgan. Fire him, no resign, then sack him. We see where they sack Arbinil. And we see where they sack Omar Davis. But anyway, the Jamaica Labour Party Dally House executive meeting will take place at Belmont Road yesterday. You know, galang good. You know, galang good at all because the Brogod no impress. We don't want the galang in the meeting. Because the reporter said the Brogod come there about 1, you know. Or after 1, and the Brogod left shortly after that, about merely after 2. So it is telling you that the Brogod spent about an hour in the meeting and take for himself. Me and you know say the Brogod. Anyway, the Brogod have to be the center of attraction. The Brogod have to get all of the highlight. And when you see Brogod take up in things and run away, when not even cameraman could have catch Brogod when in the left, you know say something not right. When Brogod take with himself, not even Usain Bolt could have catch back Brogod. The cameraman then try them best to catch Brogod when he may leave. The cameraman then try them best to catch Brogod when he may leave to get an interview. But Brogod beat them to the pace and take with himself. Now, if Brogod is the center of attraction of that meeting, his wife was not there. And a whole lot more of the Jamaica Labour Party members, they was not there. You understand? So, it also said that Flight Green, Nigel Clark, and Nesta could not get in the meeting because then locked them out. And when Brogod show up, them enter in the meeting. So my viewers and subscribers, when you look at what they go on, then sack Nesta Morgan, then sack Arbin Hill, then sack Omar Davis, and then say then lock out Flight Green, then say then lock out Nesta, and then lock out Nigel. So if that is true, you know, look what they take place right here, so. Then target the people that were close to the Brogod. Then target the people that were close to the Brogod. The Nesta Morgan, the Flight Green, the Nigel Clark. You know see that? The Arbin Hill, the Omar Davis. Look at it, Jamaica. Then target some close piece around the Brogod and execute yesterday. So the Brogod was not pleased because the Brogod see what them up to. So the question is, Jamaica, are they forming a gang to get rid of the Brogod? The question, Jamaica, are they forming a gang to get rid of the Brogod? Because remember, the Jamaica Labour Party is no strangers to gang, you know. Because remember, the gang of 5, you know, what we want overthrow Siaga, you know, and Siaga when kick them out of the party, you know. Is the same thing now they'll bite Brogod in the butt? Tell me, Jamaica. Is it a gang rising up in the Jamaica Labour Party to overthrow the Brogod? You touch the Nesta. You touch Arbinil. Oma Davis. You lock out Nigel Clark. Then say you lock out Nesta. And you lock out Flight Green out of your private party. And you did not let them in until the Brogod come in. You fire Nesta Morgan. You fire Harbin Hill. And you fire Oma Davis. These are puzzles that close to the Brogod. So Darrell Vaz and the crew, are they sending a message to the Brogod? Read between the lines, Jamaica. Read between the lines and watch what they take place here, sir. Darrell Vaz push now, you know, to control the money. Every donor and every fund where they come in at the Jamaica Labour Party now, a Darrell Vaz in charge of it, you know. I wonder if you see what I want. The Brogod, who is the Prime Minister of Jamaica and the leader of the Jamaica Labour Party, never show up to that meeting until about after 1 and leave merely after 2 and the meeting go on for hours. This a sign. Brogod have to be the center of attraction. The meeting have to surround around Brogod. Brogod have to suck the oxygen out of the room because the moment always have to be on the Brogod. The spotlight always have to be on the Brogod. So for the Brogod only to spend 1 hour in a meeting that lasts for hours and take with himself and not even cameraman could have catch the Brogod to get an interview or the Brogod move slick and fast. Something no right. Something no right. And the question is, Jamaica, are they forming a gang within the Jamaica Labour Party right now to get rid of the Brogod? Because if you want to bring down a man, you know, you start target the pieces around him. Start target the piece around him. And what did Darrell Valls do? He take away the treasury from Harbin Hill. Harbin Hill, who is close to the Prime Minister of Jamaica. And they are targeting the pieces around the Brogod. Think about it, Jamaica. Follow the money and watch the sign. The Prime Minister of Jamaica and the leader of the Jamaica Labour Party never show up to the JLP Dally House executive meeting on Belmont Road. The First Lady of Jamaica, the Brogod wife, him never go a meeting. You know, see something they store and sitting no look good. Awa, then how to forget the Brogod? Something no right, Jamaica. The Brogod only spend 1 hour in this important executive Dally House meeting. And this meeting lasts for hours. And the Brogod take with himself. And not even a journalist could get a second to interview the Brogod or the Brogod move fast and take with himself. Because the Brogod was not pleased. Because the Brogod know what they're up to. The Brogod know what they're up to. But anyway, my viewers and subscribers, tell me what you think down in the comment section. If there's a gang within the Jamaica Labour Party is rising up right now who's trying to overthrow the Brogod. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, stay tuned to Aromatic Realistic TV. Like and share and follow us over YouTube. You know what to do. Touch the notification and the little thing named all. Each time I drop a video, you should be the first to find out. We tell them, say, no man is an island, so therefore no man can stand alone. United we stand and divided we fall. The struggle is real, but how much realer can it get? Wisdom, knowledge, and understanding. That's what Almighty God gave unto us. And if we use it, there is nothing that can from succeed. The signature word. Art of love. Art of love. Heart of love. Peace out, my people.